Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, it's all about gardening, plants, flowers, because today we're going to make another plant stand or flower stand. And of course, we always use a used materials because that is a no cost budget, because I don't have any budget for a new material guys. Actually, it's beautiful to see if we will use a good lumber, to make a flower stand, or any materials that can be used to make a beautiful stand. But of course, we're living here in a simple living, so we make it simple guys. So come on, let's look for a recycled materials and that will going to be used in our plant stand. And by the way guys, I would like to greet my friend Reed. He's also one of my friend here in this channel, and he also loves about plants and flowers too. So hello Reed. So come on guys, let's get started. So this is the materials that I found, are recycled materials to be used in our plant stand, and this will be going this will be the area that we will going to put the plant stand. As you see guys, I'm already digging the ground because the plant stand won't be stand here firmly, because the ground is not in same level. Some ground is up and down like that, so I need to put the foot stand deeper the ground so it will stand firmly. And I would like to say sorry guys, because some of portion of this video got corrupted in my phone. That's why, as you can see, it's already the stand was already formed, but it's just a simple easy thing that to make the stand form immediately guys. So let's go. I'm using some pieces of bamboos and some rocks to to put it here in the where we dig, so that it can help to make it firm, make it solid to this foot stand. And so guys, we finally put some support in our food stand. As you can see, we compare this earlier. Earlier it was so, you know, it keeps moving, but now see guys, it's firm guys. We can even put even a big pot. It is really important guys to make this firm because some of our plants are heavier with the pot because of the soil, and sometimes the rain, when you water the plants, it get much more heavier, so we really need it to make it firmly stand guys. And now I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna have my lunch here, and I'm on my proper diet because not because I want to diet, but because I don't have money to buy, you know, chicken's meat. That's why egg is more cheaper. Okay guys, so we will going to continue to make the second layer of the plant stand. So as you can see guys, we already finished our plant stand. This is the coco lumber, where we put the plants here. This is the coco lumber, and the foot stand are what we call here a ipil tree. This is a common tree here in us. This is useful. This is a very useful woods here in us guys. This is a solid woods. So these all recycled materials. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy and appreciate my plant stand. So I hope to see you in another video guys. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.